friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on, I'm going to do another bargain kit review. I got a couple kits really cheap, and I want to kind of give a quick review of them, and we'll be building them on the channel. So let's get right into it with the first kit. The first kit is a very old Hughes OH-6A helicopter. This is a 1/32 scale Revell. I've always wanted one of these helicopters. I really like them, widely used. Not sure if I'm going to do a custom job on this or just a normal, build. Kind of depends on how everything in the kit has aged. All the parts are here except for the pilot, which is fine with me because typically I don't usually put pilots in my kits. So we've got some clear parts and some loose parts there. It's about standard for the era. Here's some more clear parts. Yeah, they're a little scuffed, and so, but I'm gonna give this chopper definitely a used look, so I'm not too worried about those. The hull halves, typical Revell of the era. It's got a lot of rivets in it. It's got some decent texture. So I'm going to be able to pull out some details and make everything looks good. Make sure everything looks really good. Here's some interior parts. Looks like some more interior parts. The rear tail section. The main rotors. This is where one of the body pieces was attached to. Here we have our 1 skid, 2 skid, loose in the box. This is a official Master Modelers Club application. Ooh, I think I might send this in and get signed up for that. Yeah, okay. Anyways, we also have, here's a small tail rotor. Okay, the decals. These decals are, I don't know if you can see in the video, but they're pretty yellow. I may try to find some aftermarket decals for this kit. Yeah, those I don't know if those are going to go down too well. Then we have our instructions, and you can see from the look of them how aged they are. Let's see, is there a copyright? Oh, look, 1970. So this kit's got some age to it. Not a very complicated kit, looks like. Looks like it'll go together pretty easy in typical Revell model fashion. Yeah, and then we'll have some fun painting it up and making it look real nice. Okay, I'm going to clean this up and get the next kit, so stand by. Okay, our next kit here is another helicopter, and it is an oldie but a goodie. This is the 172 Sikorsky from if I pronounce this right, Fujimi. It's an old Japanese model manufacturer. They are still in business. From what I understand from a little bit of research that I've done, it looks like they actually reissued models for other companies. I noticed that they reissued this one for Revell at one time, I think. And from what I can tell, it's basically the same part. This is kit number 7A28 of their famous fighter series. I found this one at a local secondhand store. Super inexpensive. Really a good deal. Everything is in the kit, and I've been looking for one of these for a while because I have my Apollo rocket that I built last year, and I really want to build this as one of the Apollo recovery helicopters that recovered the Apollo capsules from splashdown. And I'm going to hang this, right around where I display my Saturn V rockets. So let's get into this kit. Again, some definitely old and discolored instructions. Let's see if we can find a date on this one. I have a feeling it's probably from the 80s. Let's see here. Any copyright information? Well, I don't see anything, but I've got a feeling it's from right around 1981, 1980, 1981, around there. Looks like it has quite a bit of detail, and there's quite a bit of parts here. It's not anything that looks too challenging, but definitely not for a beginner. It is 1/72 scale, so it's going to be, you know, pretty small. All these interior parts are going to be pretty small. But yeah, I'm looking forward to building this on the channel and doing it up. I have already checked out for some sources for aftermarket decals, and I'll get those ordered when I'm ready to start building this, and we'll go from there with those. Really nicely molded pieces, it looks like. For an old kit, it does not look bad. We got some really tiny handles and sensors and things, the wheels, but it's a complete kit. Parts look okay. Here we've got some landing pod parts. Looks like maybe some fuel cells or ordnance even. Here we have the two halves of the hull and the landing wheel wells. Maybe that might be the winch. I don't know. I don't know what all these names, official names of these are called. I just really like helicopters and stuff and building models. So here we have our instructions, our decal sheet. And again, it's sealed in plastic, but it looks like it's been stapled shut, so not airtight. But I don't want to open it because it feels like they're kind of sticking to the plastic a little bit, but I don't think these are going to be useful. I mean, maybe if I tried really hard, but yeah, I've already looked into getting some aftermarket decals that actually match the recovery ship, the recovery choppers that they use. So yeah. So there you go, two bargain kits that I picked up recently that we will be building on the channel. So please comment if you've built these. Let me know if you had any issues with them or if you enjoyed them or not. Let me know. And also, please like, subscribe, and comment on anything you want. And we're going to be building some more kits, so we'll have much more content coming soon. So thanks for watching, and everybody just be safe out there and go build something.